This is because it doesn't really matter where you accumulate, okay? Now, does accumulation always look like this, where it's in a super tight range, sort of like this candle? Will accumulation always look like this? The answer is no, actually. The left side of a curve in a market maker model is a form of accumulation of orders. Now think about that. What you've been taught is that accumulation looks like this, where it's some sort of consolidation or time distortion in a very tight range. This is not true. Accumulation can be an expansion. But now you might be thinking, how is accumulation expansion in any way, shape, or form? Well, this is how. The market knows where it wants to move in the future. What it wants to do is accumulate orders underneath lows, right? I'll quickly explain this concept to you all. So, now most people think that this right here was our only accumulation during this schematic, okay? Now, this is not true. This whole side here was accumulation, okay? Every single one of these lows is a manipulation. Now, why do you think the whole left side of the curve is a manipulation? Well, the answer is because the market knows it wants to come back down underneath all of these sell stops that's made. So what is the market doing? It is engineering sell side liquidity. Now, if we know that this is accumulating orders, how do you also know that this is manipulation at the same time? Well, this is kind of when the 3 candle model comes in. Because what you'll see is that this first candle here, this right here, is our left side of the curve. Okay? Now, this second candle is actually this SMR up here. So I'll quickly change the color of this. This SMR is this second candle. Now, this right here, this third candle, guess what? This third candle is the right side of our curve, starting from there down to there. Now, what you'll also see is that our right side of the curve is much faster than the left side and the SMR, right? This side moves much faster than all of this. Now, I hope you're kind of getting to understand where I'm going with this. What you'll see is that this candle confirms manipulation. So, with just this one easy schematic, this basically shows you when manipulation is happening in the marketplace.